kidding. Somebody got carried back.
Alright YouTube, we are at the Hyalite Reservoir West Shore Trail, number 431. And let's see how far we can get today.
Oh, you're still walking all over.
So Blackmore and Crescent Lake Trails, about a mile that way. We'll take that shore.
Hi.
It's really bad. It's okay. Come on, Ringo.
Check out this lakeshore access. So these trails are nicely groomed. People cross country and hike, walk, snowshoe, I guess. This area is nice right here to have snowshoes, but technically you don't really need them. But it is nice to be sure-footed, even on the groomed trails, because it gets a little rutted in some spots. But this is really, really powdery. Look at that. So these snowshoes are really working good right now. Got some ice fishing down there. So we're actually just trailblazing right now. I don't think so. Alright.
Oh, your foot went through.
You okay?
Okay. Pull. Okay, got it? Some bugs. Yeah, we'll let them pass, okay?
$76.36 elevation. That's usually where we picnic, right there. So we'll probably just pit stop there and then start making our way back, because that looks pretty gnarly. Montana, and I'm sure amongst some other places, but Montana, the weather system moves fast. And that wind blows, pushes clouds in, storm system, and boom. But just as quickly they can leave too. So this is it. We'll hang out here for a little bit and then start heading back.
Those are good little stumps to sit on.
So they're turning white.
Mm-hmm. So we have that.
Faster than me. I'm like,
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
You can hear somebody sawing the ice out there. So we're about almost an hour in. I started the hike a few minutes after we left the parking lot, but about an hour. And we're probably around 3:45, 4 o'clock, getting close to 4. And temperature's probably around 32, something like that, low 30s. We're bundled up, but once you start moving around, you almost get a little warm. So it's not all that bad. Little shelter.
I got a picture like that.
Oh, you did? Cool.
What it's called.
Alright, we made it back. It wasn't too bad. We'll see how it is coming down the mountain.